Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another training of mine. I will be doing executing program, but first I will be trying to improve my typing capabilities. So let's go. I feel really tired today. What am I doing this? Okay. Okay. %, that's not bad for me. All right. Can I change this? Just to show or not show? Okay. So we are done with that. And now I will do this. There's a new review available. Just this one? Okay. So I'll do that, and after that, I don't know, Java. Clear timeout. Yeah, so this is just a clear timeout, and that will be it. Clear timeout timer. We'll cancel it. And that was it. All right. All right. So I will now what? I will do the typing. Now the typing. Bum bum bum. I will go to progress, and hopefully I will have here written where I should go. This renders really slow for some. There's a file in Java exceptions, but I think I completed that. I'll look into the log. IO complete. Okay, but files and okay, so it should be in exceptions, and this is here. No, that one is bullshit. So I'll just delete. So there was a checked exceptions, unchecked exceptions, and that was it, I think. So if I go to the look, it says, what did I did? File input stream, okay. Skipping the rest, and I need to do the exceptions. So here and here on top, I will create a package, and it will be 21 exceptions. And inside of there we will do the magic. So there's a checked, unchecked, and errors. Errors are not exceptions at all, but problems that arise beyond the control of the user of programmer. Errors are typically ignored in your code because you can rarely do anything about error. For example, if a Stack Overflow occurs, the error will arise. They are also ignored at the time of compilation. And there is a exception hierarchy. There's exceptions and there's errors. So line, object, throwable. I have errors and exceptions in here. Runtime, other. And by other you mean checked and unchecked. So this will be unchecked, so we checked, right? Why do you call it other? Unchecked, so runtime. Okay. Exception methods. String get message, get cause. Okay, so we have exceptions and print stack trace, do string, get cause, and so on. Okay, so we want to try the checked. Okay, so what do I do? So the unchecked is easy. The checked. Let's see. Okay, so let's do checked exceptions for first, and then we will see. So we'll go here, and here we will insert Java class, and this will be checked exceptions. Okay. Like static void main. And here, what checked exception could be. So the input, I remember. So file. Okay. So new file. This is a nonsense. Right, and I will put in variable. File will be the name, and I need to import the thing, and we'll proceed. What I will do next? Next, I will do. Oh boy. I will write something to it, or file reader, okay. And that should be in a, okay, so new file reader, and we will put in the file, extract it. Yeah, file reader is fine. And we have some problem in here, and we will surround with try catch. Okay, so this is the checked here. It should, when I run it, it should print when it is not found, the file. It should, it should throw the error which we see in here. Okay. So now what? Now we will do other stuff, and the other stuff will be, I guess, the unchecked exceptions. So here, and I will insert Java class to exceptions. Okay, and here we will say polystatic void main again. Then I will create an array. So it will be an array equals, and here I'll say 1, 2, I'll say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, and then I'll try to print out the element which is not there, which will be array at place 10. Right, so now the IntelliJ will let me do that. I'll compile it, and I'll get an error at the compile time. And the error is index out of bound exception. Okay. So we got those two. Then we have the errors. I don't know how to produce error. There's an example in that. Then yeah. Where is that? There's an unchecked. There's a okay. So errors, not exceptions, but problems that are bearing control of the user or the programmer. Typically ignored in your code because you can rarely do anything about an error. Example is stack overflow occurs. Blah blah blah. Okay. Now. Now. Yeah, the exception hierarchy. All exception classes are subtypes of the Java-lang exception class. The exception class is a subclass of throwable class. Other than the exception class, there is another subclass called error, which is derived from the throwable class. Errors are abnormal conditions that happen in case of severe failures. These are not handled by the Java programs. Okay, errors are generated to indicate errors generated by the runtime environment. Example, JVM is out of memory. Normally programs cannot recover from errors. The exception class has two main subclasses, IO exception class and runtime exception class. Alrighty. Following is list of most checked and unchecked Java built-in exceptions. Okay, so actions, runtime, and other. Why do you say other? This doesn't make sense to me, but okay. Exception methods. Following is the list of important methods available in the throwable class. Okay, so we will do exception methods. That's what we will do. Java class of free exception methods. Okay, now I will do the same thing as in the first thing. So I will have a new file. This does not exist. Alt enter import class, and I want variable out of this. This will be file as well, and then we will do the file reader. So I say new file reader, and I will put in the file. Alt enter import class, and we will extract it to a variable. File reader is good. And there is this error, and we will do the try surround. Okay, so here is like some of the methods. So the first one was toString, which I remember. So I will say south printing or I can do this like so, toString, and I'll print it out. Okay, then there was the stack trace, right? So e dot print stack trace, get stack trace. Okay. Oh, this is much better. This is much better. Maybe I managed to find what was the problem. Saving it to the SD card, I did delete a lot of files from it, and yeah. So, and after I redid it, it kind of went. Now I delete the files, and now when I am writing to it, it takes long time. So yeah. Boom, boom, boom. So we have this, sprint stack trace. I can run it, and meanwhile I have a look in here. So just get message, get cause, and toString and print stack trace we did. So get message, get cause. I will do it first because why not? Okay. So here's the message, and maybe I want. Oh fuck. What was it? Build. Run. Yeah, it was run. Run. And I want to have it at bottom. So right bottom, and I want bottom right. Or bottom left, maybe. Move to bottom left, like so. Okay. 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 4 minutes. Okay, so then this will be e dot and get message. Oh, fuck. To string, maybe I should not use system out, but I can do something like system error. Is that possible? Oh, it froze. Okay, so maybe all of my problems were not solved. Error, yeah. Print. Do I have as I do have things for that. Okay, so and now it should be red when I run it again, right? Yeah, okay, cool. Cool, and this kind of skips around. The print stack trace kind of goes there. Out, error, error, okay. Huh. Boom, boom, boom. Now it's in. Huh. Now it has different order. You know, well, fuck that. Out, 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 out. Okay. Get message. What was the next thing? Get cause. Okay. It's frozen again. Okay, cool. System out, and this will be e dot get cause. Okay, and I run it. Okay, so we'll continue in exception methods. And I will go to the MD file, Java exceptions, and I'll set exception methods in here. Okay, save, commit. And this will be this in progress. And this will be exceptions. Here we go. Commit. Okay, so this guy over here says that we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.